Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for new parents: the Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Comfy Neck Baby Bib with Padded Collar. If you want to keep your baby clean and comfortable during feeding time, you've come to the right place. The Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Comfy Neck Baby Bib is designed with both functionality and comfort in mind. This product is a game-changer for parents of newborns and infants. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out from the rest. The fabric used in these bibs is incredibly soft and absorbent. It not only keeps your baby's sensitive skin comfortable but also protects their clothes from spills and dribbles. One of the standout features is the padded collar, which acts as a dribble catcher. It absorbs moisture and food drips, ensuring your baby stays dry and rash-free. Putting on and taking off bibs has never been easier. The Velcro fastening is simple to use and helps secure the bib in place during mealtime. These bibs offer versatility with a reversible design. You can choose between a solid color or a patterned side to match your baby's outfits. Tommee Tippee understands the needs of parents and babies. These comfy neck bibs are specially designed to protect your baby's sensitive skin from rashes. Whether it's milk feeds or teething dribbles, these bibs have got you covered. The unique dribble catcher and super soft fabric ensure comfort and keep spills at bay. You can find this fantastic set of 2 Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Comfy Neck Baby Bibs with a padded collar on Amazon. Prices start at just $9.29, making it an affordable yet invaluable addition to your baby's mealtime routine. In summary, if you're looking for the best Closer to Nature feeding bibs on the market, the Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Comfy Neck Baby Bib with Padded Collar is a top choice. Its super soft fabric, absorbent design, and convenient features make it a must-have for any parent. Don't compromise on your baby's comfort and cleanliness during mealtime. Choose Tommee Tippee. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Remember, your baby's comfort and well-being are a top priority. And products like the Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Comfy Neck Baby Bib can make a world of difference. Until next time, happy parenting.